So with this one, I've got a white piece. So normally I'm going to be shooting white pearl over the top of this one. White pearl, if you use white, it'll come out white. So if you use white as a base, it'll come out white. If you use anything else, it'll look dirty, grey, silver sort of look. So you want to keep that white sheen, you need to use a white base. So because this is a nice clean bit of plastic, I'll demonstrate how just using the paint directly on the plastic without having to use primers. We can do that pretty simple just by over that. So same again, give that a good mix upside down. And then all I do is just pour into the airbrush. You can see on the screen behind me up there. I've just put a little bit in the cup there. So just in light coats, you start off your piece, open up the spray, and spray on. Now the problem with white pearl is you need to turn it into the light to actually see the spray. So I'm just going light coats from side to side. That's it.